Michael here from LSW Lighting. Scientists understand that natural sunlight is best for us, and it makes sense. We crave natural light. We need natural sunlight every day. And this is a big problem here in Alberta and in space. So NASA scientists have designed an LED solution to emit the optimal light for life called BIOS lighting. Our Leviton brands have this brilliant lighting solution. Since we spend so much time indoors, we've broken the relationship we got from the sun. And this is the point of circadian lighting, is to restore that relationship and to bring it indoors. So first we need to understand what's important. And this brings us to the daylight spectrum and what we need. Daylight has a very broad spectrum, going from violet all the way to the reds. And when we compare this spectrum to common LEDs, we see that there is a big difference between those two spectrums. Did you know that scientists discovered we have non-vision intrinsically photosensitive retinal ganglion cells known as iPRGCs? Since iPRGCs are non-visual, this can be likened to our ears. We use them to hear, and they're also very important for our balance. Likewise, our eyes have two purposes, vision and non-vision. These iPRGCs contain melanopsin, which communicates directly with our circadian biology, either to produce or to suppress melatonin and cortisol. These cells are just like our rods and our cones that are used for vision, except they're looking for a specific spectrum of light. And melanopsin is dedicated to providing these key daytime signals that provide tremendous benefits. What's interesting is that common LED technology is really poor at providing these key daytime signals. BIOS lighting solves this problem. Research has shown that melanopsin and our circadian system has its peak sensitivity in the 490 nanometer region. And with BIOS dynamic circadian lighting, we can adjust those daytime signals automatically or with manual control. So what benefits will BIOS bring? Well, BIOS improves physical, emotional, and mental well-being, and naturally increases productivity and focus. And when you regulate circadian rhythms, you will sleep better. Some businesses here in Alberta realize their employees are their biggest assets, and not only their highest costs, and they're seeing the benefits of having healthier, happier, and more productive employees. This also helps retain talent and to attract new talent to their organizations. So even though most of us will be spending more than 90% of our lives indoors, we can bring the benefits of circadian lighting with BIOS lighting by Leviton. Since this is an emerging technology, we will be releasing Leviton products in the coming days and over 2022. So please stay tuned to our website and follow our social media channels. Again, my name is Michael Gonzalez. If you need help with a project here in Alberta, please reach out to us here at LSW Lighting.